Hey. Oh my goodness. It's the doggies. Nessie.
Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
Ness, come here, girl.
Come here, Noah.
Hi, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What are you doing?
Oh my goodness.
I forgot to turn the camera on, but I got the door off already. I'm about to take these off, get the rest of this trim, and then do the same thing on the other side. Actually starting to be able to see the original color. And I can't remember exactly what it was called, but something lime or green. It's kind of like a muted lime color, I guess. But Chuck and his wife are the original owners of this car. They still own it. This was the original color when they bought it, which we're gonna bring it back to. But the reason that it's maroon, they let their son have it for a while whenever he went to college in San Diego, I believe. So he painted his school colors. So I think it's a nice maroon, but he wants to remember it how he got it. So back to this color we go. All right, so I'm trying to take out this fender right now. I pulled off the bolt that lives here, 2 on the bottom, a few across the top, and now I need to take off the front bumper. So here we go to the bumper. So on the bumper, we have these things. So I'm gonna pull that off first. Then that'll give me access to 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Should be able to pull off the bumper, and then from there, I can go under and detach the front bezel around the blah 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 light, and then I should be able to pop the fender off. We're back here on day 3 for the Mustang. We're trying to get the front end off. So Cody's got this little impact driver. I got a wrench.
A ranch.
So we're about to start swinging on this thing. Give me a sec. There you go.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Okay, so now that we've got those off, I'm gonna start pulling off this front end. Cody's gonna go over and get that ball joint on the Chevelle, so hopefully we drive that thing today to start tearing all this down. Cool, so there wasn't a whole lot left that I could take off of the front end. I put some of the bolts back onto the body so I don't have to like mess with bagging them right now because we're short on bags. So we have a little other organizational tool going on right here. Circles and names. We have about 3 hours left of the day. I'm gonna start working on pulling trim and glass for the rest of the stuff, and then add these other fenders, or the other vents for the quarter on the other side left. Let's give you a little quick walk around. See you before. it's all together, there is a weather seal that goes up. There is a second track that's on this inner side. So from the back side, you can pull the weather strip down. It comes down to this bit. I couldn't get that screw out, so I'll get that out later. I just ripped it off. I unscrewed all the hardware that held down that first rack that I was talking about. After all these screws are gone, then you can just start to separate it. I don't know if it was OEM or not, but this one had just double-sided tape. So I was able to just kind of work it, get it out, pull it all the way out. Here, we have these rivets, so I'm just gonna drill these out. Once these are out, I just slide it inward from this other lip, and then it all just pops out this way. After that, you just get a little wood shim, just hammer this all the way up, and then it eventually pops off. I'll show you how to do it from this side. Got this outer trim out. This method isn't really that perfect, so like I have a few things that I kind of messed up, like this spot right here. I don't know how well you can see that on camera really, but that spot right there, that spot right there. I found it on some YouTube video like a year or two ago, and I've used it a couple times now. So doing that, being careful, it'll help you from damaging stuff, especially if you're trying to do an alternative of like using a screwdriver or a pry bar to pull that shit off. Like that is gonna destroy it. So, on to the next. Windshield. Got one corner off. Seems pretty easy. Oh, didn't think you'd find that in there. So now we're trying to take out the back glass. We have Cody outside with a razor. He's gonna run along all the outside, and then I'm gonna take it and then go along the inside to see if we can separate it, and then we have little suction cups we can pull it out with. Cool. Rear glass out. Here, I got you.
Cool.
Sick.
That's a good way to wrap the day.
Yeah, what time is it?
5 till.
5 till? All right, cool. Guys.
Time to go home!
Time to go home. Day 3, wrapped up. Got all the front end pulled off. I just remembered that I forgot to take those vents off, so I'll just do that tomorrow. Hey. Oh my goodness. It's the doggies. Nessie. Those are the 2 little shop dogs. Ness. Ness, come here, girl.
Come here, Noel.
Hi, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, be nice. What are you doing, girl? Can't be bad on camera.
Like, I'm sorry. Let me lick your mouth.
Let me lick your mouth. All right. Well, wrapped up.
Probably start working on getting everything unhooked from the motor.
Yeah.
Get the exhaust off, do all the under shit work. Hey, psychos.
But cool, successful day.
Lito,
See you tomorrow.
come on.